Hello, my name is Timothy Tamora, and this is my elevator pitch for MDS 300. I chose to get my multidisciplinary degree because it is geared towards individuals who have life experience. This was important to me because it allowed me to be more adaptive and more engaged within learning about myself and how to become better at communicating, how to become better with ethical decisions. It allowed me to focus on different facets and not just be stuck on a traditional degree where I'm only learning, let's say, getting a degree in respiratory therapy. It allows me to integrate and synthesize critical thinking towards problem solving. It allows me to see different cultural perspectives and become more diverse in the business world. Along with the multidisciplinary studies, giving you all that, it also allows you to obtain different types of certificates. I could get a certificate in ethnography, or I could get a certificate in bridge to business for careers. Um, I'm currently going towards a certificate in applied leadership, and I'm also going to tackle getting a certificate in Harvard Business for Readiness. These are just a small fraction of the benefits of getting a multidisciplinary studies degree than going a traditional route. On top of that, they allow you to do 100% of your schooling online, which gives you an immense amount of flexibility for family, friends, and of course, maintaining your current career. Thank you.